Alright guys, down here at the beach with this 73 Dodge Balboa. It's coming along real nice. It's going to make a great vehicle for somebody. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little tour. Thanks for tuning in to Freedom Vessel. Alright, so we put all new running lights on the top. We've got a new paint job, nice stripe with a pinstripe outline. You've got your heater, auxiliary heater on the outside that is no longer connected. You've got your Balboa tags. You've got your flip up, flip out step. You've got your rear entry, your spare tire up here on the roof. You've got your fantastic fan and 100 watts of flexible solar panels. We've got a beautiful front grille all painted out. We've got a nice new paint job on the front. You've got your 110 electrical hookup here. You've got a storage unit or something that could be a generator could be placed in here. You've got the back side of your refrigerator, with this opens up if you need access to the back of the refrigerator, but this does not have a refrigerator, so if you put one in, it's all ready for you. This is your gas. Got a pinstripe on here, spare tire, new bullet lights, LED rear lights. We've got an outside shower. We've got the original Balboa branding plate, which shows you the number. There's about, I don't know, 100 of these out there. We've got solar, 100 watts on the roof. We've got the large windows sliding on both sides with screens. Passenger side door entryway. No rust, really clean vehicle. We've got a carpet in the inside. We've got your cup holders. And then you've got your cockpit. We have air conditioning on the dash that does not work. We've got a Pioneer Bluetooth stereo. You've got heater, windshield, new windshield wiper. All your gauges. You've got cruise control. I'm not sure if that works. You've got hands-free. It's kind of like being an airplane pilot. Just fly this thing. Let's take you to the back. All right, entering through the rear, we've got nice cabinets on the right side here, some drawers on the bottom. We've got an outside shower right here, which you hook up the quick connect to, and you are showering outside, not inside. Don't need to shower inside. So here is the shower if you do want to go inside, and it is doable, and you have hot water. You have a vent fan, you've got your cabinet here, medicine cabinet, and little light in there, your sink. There's a toilet spot if you want to put a toilet in, but we just have it as a shower and perhaps a storage area. You've got your propane stove, really nice condition, all the original owner's manuals. You've got a new faucet and sink. You've got your outlets here for the 110. This is a space for a refrigerator or a cooler. Down here you've got your 12-volt charger. You've got your solar controller and USB port. Underneath here is when you are your truck battery, your car's running, your auxiliary battery, which is over here, your main lines for your 110. Everything is labeled and in working order. Over here you have your hot water heater, 40-gallon water tank, and your water pump switch. And then you have this larger dinette area here, which makes into a bed. You've got the pull-out bed, just like all the Balboas that we do. And up top there's your fan and your interior dome light, and you've got puck lights as well. Just a really nice vintage van. Up front here you have your air conditioner, you've got your stereo, you've got your rad little Coleman keychain, and your dashboard.